Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a traveler's notebook layout that I titled Ahoy, and I'm using the digital version of the collection Transatlantic Travel by Carta. I have a stencil here, and it could be a paisley pattern, but it could also work as water drops. And because this is a water or maritime themed page that I'm creating, I decided I will interpret them as water drops. So I'm just starting and working my way through the stencil. Most of it will be covered up anyway, but I'm working my way through the stencil to just color them in this light blue that I'm using for this page. And so it'll take a while for me to cover up all the parts. Alright, so now I'm pretty much done with this part, but I'm also aware that most of this will actually be covered up by the photo and the papers and all that. So here I have what I created as a paper flag style, which will go there, you can see it, and then there's another piece that will go on top, and I have distressed the edges, running a card around all the edges there so that it pops off the page a lot better. And then there's this smaller paper flag strip that I'm also going to add to this somewhere there. And then I think I will be ready to add the photo. So here's the photo, and it is a boat. And so this is where basically the background part is done, and now I can get to the part of embellishing my page. So I have a bunch of embellishments. Some of them I created using dies or stamps, others are printed. I'm not using so many from the collection because the collection is the theme of any embellishments is not so useful for the types of pages that I'm creating. But I have this little die cut piece that says Voyage, and so, well, this one I think is a different one, but anyway, and then I have all these other embellishments. The flowers I just cut with my silhouette, and then just used my ball pen stylus to just shape the flowers a little, added some bling there, and there's this ship wheel is a veneer, that is a colored veneer piece that I have had for years. It's a set that I've had for many years. I generously apply the glue there so that it sticks well. Then there's this stamp that I just I just stamped and I think probably fussy cut, or I might have used one of my dies to cut it out. I don't remember very clearly anymore. And then I have my word strips as always, and at some point I will be sharing these word strips as freebie on my blog MistyHilltops.com. And so there are a whole lot of word strips. I recommend you go check them out and see if there's something that you could use. I also created flowers using dies and then watercolored them, and also used them to my ball stylus to shape them. And the title, I used one of my alpha dies and some blue cardstock to no, I guess I must have also watercolored the word Ahoy there. But anyway, so I'm assembling the title for this one, and because it's a traveler's notebook page, I can't go with a very big title, it won't fit. But anyway, so here I have the flowers that I'm adding now, and I'm trying to add them to my clusters, keeping them with my clusters, not to scatter them all randomly around my pages there. So here's that silhouette flower that I cut out with my silhouette, and then I have a few more word strips that I want to place on this page, and I decided to go where the title is so that I am truthfully working with 3 clusters. I'm a little wasn't too excited because it kind of creates a line, a diagonal line rather than a triangle, but that's all right. So anyways, this is my page done. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.